Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a glowing gradient ribbon banner using layer styles in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and choose a wide canvas for a banner layout. First I draw a ribbon style custom shape and stretch it across the canvas. Then I apply a gradient overlay blending red into orange for strong energy. After that I duplicate the ribbon and place it behind with a darker tone for depth. Now I add inner glow and outer glow to give the ribbon a luminous effect. Next I refine the edges and folds so the ribbon looks realistic. Then I add subtle shadows to ground the design. After this I balance brightness so the glow doesn't overpower the shape. Finally I zoom out and polish the